Hello everyone. This video is all about the question that I have got on YouTube. The question is from Madhujia. Sorry if I have spelled your name wrongly. So he has asked me few questions which include which ad network is best, what should be the eCPM amount, can we do group earning, which option should we select in mediation, all, include or exclude countries, please reply. So the first question is which ad network is best. By saying ad network, if you meant to say about admob, appnext, smato or more, then I think admob is best because admob has got lots of customization options and it has got so many people who are interested to show advertisements. In admob, you are showing advertisements from the another company of Google, which is AdWords, and it is the largest company and has so many clients, so you better stay with admob. If you want to use another ad networks, I request you to use admob and parallelly use another ad networks also, but do not use only another ad networks apart from admob. If you are talking about the ad networks that we can select while creating a mediation group in admob, then I should say that I don't have enough knowledge about that. There include different ad networks while creating a mediation group in admob, such as AdFalcon, Smato and more. However, it is not going to be a problem because with the help of mediation group, you can choose different ad networks and you can create as many mediation groups as possible. For example, I am going to use the ad network which is AdFalcon and set the eCPM floor as $0.4 and I'm going to use 2 to 3 ad units. And after creating this mediation group, I start creating another mediation group and here I'm going to set the same eCPM floor of $0.4 and I'm going to choose the same ad units that I have chose in the previous one, but here I'm choosing another ad network apart from AdFalcon such as Smato. And in the same manner, for different eCPM values, I'm going to create more than one mediation group where I'm going to change the different ad networks that I choose. So with the help of this, what happens is that admob tries to gain me the best money that I can get. Because with the help of the preferences option available in the mediation group, we are going to set the preference first of all for the eCPM value which is more, and after setting the preferences for different ad networks having the same eCPM value, then I will shift to the next 2 to 3 mediation groups that I have created which is having same eCPM value and having different ad networks. In the same manner, I will set preferences for another mediation groups that I have created. So by doing this, I will get the maximum amount of money that I can earn. Hence, it is not going to affect whether I have knowledge regarding which ad network is best while creating a mediation group. The next question is what should be the eCPM amount? The floor of the eCPM amount varies based on the country where your app is mostly downloaded and various other factors. However, as admob has enabled new option where you can set the eCPM floor within the ad unit settings, and there you can select different eCPM value for different countries. But for this, you should have a knowledge regarding how the advertisers are paying in different countries. But there is an alternative and you should not worry about this because setting an eCPM value will be a tough job, because if you have more downloads in different countries and you don't know how the eCPM value is in different countries, then it will be a problem and reduces the fill rate of your ad. So you should make use of a mediation group. Even in this case, you create a mediation group for different ad units and set the eCPM value as $0.4 for example, and for the same ad units create another mediation group, but here you set the eCPM floor as $0.3. In the same manner, just create different mediation groups with different eCPM values and without choosing any ad networks. And now set the preferences firstly to the mediation group which is having the eCPM floor as $0.4, and next for the mediation group which is having the eCPM value as $0.3. In the same manner you set the preferences for other mediation groups also. So by doing this, what happens is that you will get the maximum amount of money that your ad can get for you. So it will first go to the first mediation group and try to request the ads which are paying about more than $0.4 of eCPM, and if it is not available, it will just go to the second preference, and in the same manner it will try all the preferences, and hence you will gain the best amount of money. The next question is, can we do group earning? I don't know whether it is enabled by admob to do group earning based on the policies. I don't have knowledge regarding that, but I know a method by which you can do group earning. You have to simply ask another person to create an ad unit ID, and after he creates an ad unit ID, you should add an ad in your mobile app and set the ad unit ID of that person, and that's simple, and hence all the money that is gained with that ad unit ID will be going to his account. But I don't know whether it is legal by Google AdMob or not. So I refer you to please go to the terms and policies, and if nothing like that is mentioned there, then you can try it. The next question is, which option should we select in mediation? All, include, or exclude countries? So the answer for this can be the previous explanation, where I have just explained you how you can set the mediation groups and set preferences to them. So choosing the countries should not be a problem, because you are going to create different mediation groups and you are going to set preferences, and hence choosing the country, including or excluding the country, will not be a problem. When Madhuja has just asked me these questions, I have also asked him other questions, such as how are you developing your app and how many active users are there for your app. To which Madhuja has replied, I developed a content-based app on Thunkable and my active users are about 20. So I have a small request for you, Madhuja. Showing ads at an early stage of having only active users of about 20 is not good at all, because in Google Play Store the small label saying contains ads will be displayed, and it distracts your users and avoids them to download that app. So this is a small reason. Let us assume that it doesn't affect, okay? But there are other reasons. For example, there are low downloads for your app, and you are trying to customize different options in AdMob. So what happened to me is that while I tried to customize my AdMob network, it was hard to understand the reports in the AdMob section, because I have very less active users at that time, and there were very less changes in the trends of the earning in AdMob. So for experimenting in AdMob, it will be tough job for you because of the presence of very less active users. So your first goal should be to gain active users. AdMob will pay you the best money when you're focused on creating a good app, because while you try to create a good and wonderful app, automatically you will get more users and you will get the best amount of money that you can earn. So I request you, as a fellow app developer, that please focus on creating a best app. You have created a content-based app on Thunkable and you have active users of 20. I congratulate for that. But at this point of time, I request you to focus more on your app. Fix the bugs, improve the user interface and user experience, and also make your app the best. Make your app the best to the extent that the user should feel that he should download this app, and also he should use this app again and again every day. So this should be your first goal until you reach a minimum of 10,000 downloads. And when you reach 10,000 downloads and active users, At that point of time, you can focus on showing ads. You can focus on experimenting with admob. So this should be your first goal, and I'm not teaching you. I'm a fellow app developer and I have suffered all through these problems. So please focus on making your app the perfect one. If you have just found this video helpful even for you, then please give a thumbs up and comment if you have another questions, and please subscribe to get more such videos.